Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. In this video, we will discuss Tesla earnings projections for next week and try to make an assessment how high or how low Tesla can go before and after earnings using forward EPS and forward PE. Now, let's get started. On your screen, you see Tesla earning projections and the actual history for last 6 quarters and also the earning projection for next 4 quarters. Take a look, last 2 quarters, Tesla missed the earnings. Before that, Tesla was able to beat it or it's flat. Next 4 quarter, you see Tesla earnings projections are not so great, even less than the last quarter. See, the last quarter actual was 0.71 and this quarter earning projection is 0.51, probably about 15 to 20% down. And also Q2 less than the last quarter earnings actual, 0.64 versus 0.71. So we can say that next 3 quarters are tough for Tesla. Now let's move on to calculate the minimum, maximum, and average stock price projections for Tesla before and after earnings using the forward PE. You see this table on your screen. I updated this table with the adjusted closing price for Tesla for last 4 weeks and also the forward EPS and the trailing 12-month EPS. The forward EPS is basically earnings actual for last quarter plus earning projections for next 3 quarters. And trailing 12 months EPS is last quarter actuals plus prior 3 quarters actual. Using those values, I calculated the P ratio with respect to trailing 12 months EPS and with respect to forward EPS. At this point, the forward EPS is 58.57. I have another table that has trailing P and the forward P for last 12 quarters. And also I calculated the minimum, average, and the maximum forward PE for last 6 quarters that are more relevant. And also I have EPS projections, actual, and the closing price plus the earnings surprise for last 12 quarters in this table. So if you take a look at this earnings surprise line, you see that last 2 quarters were not good for Tesla, but before that they were able to beat the earning or the earnings were flat. So for sure Tesla is struggling for last 2 quarters and next 2-3 quarters is also tough for Tesla. And I also have this table that says minimum, average, and a maximum earnings surprise for last 6 quarters. I put minimum as 0 because there are some earning misses, and so I did not want to put negative here because that will mess up my calculations. Now I'm ready to calculate the min, average, and the maximum Tesla projections before and after earnings. And I calculated these values here. Let me go over with you. For the minimum, I'm using the EPS forward. You see the formula H4, that is this guy. And also second factor is N34, that is this point. The minimum forward P for last 6 quarters. And also the third one is the earning miss or the earning surprise, that is O43, that is this guy. In this case I have 0. So using those three values, the minimum projection is 131.08. And for average, same formula, the EPS forward H4, the second factor O34, that is this guy. The third one is P43, that is the earning surprise average for last 6 quarters, 0.02. So that gives the average projections 175.96. The maximum, same formula, EPS forward, and then the second factor is P34, that is the maximum forward P for last 6 quarters, and the third one is Q43, that is the maximum earning surprise for last 6 quarters. So that gives 225.75, the maximum price projection for Tesla before and after earnings. As of this point, Tesla is around 148, is below average. So if Tesla is able to beat the earnings, you will see Tesla price surge next week. But if Tesla misses the earnings again, you will see Tesla under pressure. And maybe it can go further below and below 140. But I do not expect Tesla to go below 131 before the earnings. So I use these earning projections value for last 4 quarters to come up with a forward PE. So if the earning miss is more than our expectations, then probably we need to recalculate the minimum price projection for Tesla, and that should be below 131. As of this point, these are the best data points I have to share with you. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.